Graduates, you made it. For you today is both an ending and a beginning. You have done the work. You have taken midterms and finals, written papers and lab reports, and have built amazing things for your senior design projects. You demonstrated your hard work, ingenuity, and patience. Now, think of all the people in your lives who helped you arrive here, your family and loved ones, your friends and mentors. Take a moment, find them in the audience, wave, salute them, and shout, "Thank you." A dedicated team of faculty and staff worked side by side with you. These dedicated individuals have stood by you, mentoring you, assisting you on your journey across your undergraduate years, and helping you to mature into the engineers you are today. Let's ask the faculty and the staff of the School of Engineering to stand and join me in recognizing them. A critical part of your studies at UConn was tainted by the COVID pandemic. Your classes were disrupted, you were sent away from the campus and your friends, and your lives have been marked by the pandemic in the same way that previous generations experienced the Great Depressions and wars. But if you take a closer look at history, humanity's advances are mostly led by generations that experienced such challenging disruptions. The pandemic has not destroyed our spirit or our passion and talent for engineering. In fact, the experience of the past 2 to 3 years have created a renewed respect and appreciation for engineers. In many ways, the future of humanity and addressing the challenges it faces, many of which faced during the pandemic, is entrusted to you. But it was not only the COVID-19 virus that demonstrated the fragility of our society. During the past few years, the ugly face of inequity and injustice and ignorance in our communities surfaced. And again, you, as a community of scholars, along with your mentors in the school, stood up to the challenge to create a more inclusive environment. At UConn, I'm proud of how many of you stood up to help others and to create a more inclusive community. I want to call some of you out today. Those of you who volunteered in pre-engineering program, multiply your options, engineer your future, explore engineering, BREACH program, Connecticut Invention Convention, Science Bowl, Engineering Ambassadors, Society of Women Engineers, National Society of Black Engineers, Society of Hispanic Engineers, Engineering Student Leadership Council, Society of Engineers Without Borders, and many others, and all of you who volunteered in many different forms to help others and support your communities. We are proud of you, but we all must do more, each one of us. I started by mentioning that today is both an ending and a beginning. The ending part is easy. This is your moment of victory. Breathe in it. It is the beginning part that is exciting, full of unknowns, challenges, and opportunities. Your future is filled with crossroads, choices, and decisions. Engineers, the world is yours to make better, and I know we are in good hands. We are extremely proud of you and what you have done. And as you choose the roads you will walk down, I have three humble requests. Use your skills and knowledge without reservation to improve the lot of humanity. Consider how your actions may impact the world that your children and grandchildren will inherit. And finally, remain a proud Husky for life. Thank you.